Hello. Nowadays, some examination boards are including open-ended questions to test the ability of the students how they can relate the mathematics with the real life. One such open-ended question is given here. Construct the word problem on quadratic equation such that the value of one of its answer is 20. 20 can be considered as years or rupees or centimeter. Let us frame the equation for the ages. Okay. Now, as we know, quadratic equation have the two solutions. So we can consider one of the solution as x is equal to 20. Let us consider another solution is equal to 70. And let us frame the situation for the years. You can consider this x as the age of Gopal, a student, and you can consider the 70 as age of grandfather. Now, general quadratic equation which have the solution x is equal to a and x is equal to b can be framed as x square minus a plus b x plus ab is equal to 0. That is sum of the roots and product of the roots. So let us apply this concept to frame the situation. Here one of the solution is 20, that is the age of the Gopal. Another solution is 70, that is the age of the grandfather. So we can frame the situation according to this equation. Find the age of grandson and grandfather such that sum of their ages is and product of their ages is. Now, in the given situation, the sum of their ages is 20 plus 70, that is 90. So we can write sum of their ages is 90 years and product of their ages, that is 70 into 20, 1400. So according to this situation, we will able to frame the equation x square minus 90x plus 1400 is equal to 0. And if you solve this equation, you will get the same answers, the same solutions, that is x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 70. Now let us frame the situation or the word problem considering the x is equal to 20 as the centimeter. We can imagine x is equal to 20 as a breadth of a rectangle. So we can think of a rectangle whose length is 20 centimeter, and you can consider this as one of the solution of quadratic equation. Let us consider the another solution of the quadratic equation as suppose 70 once again. So we can consider the 70 as the length of the rectangle. Now by simple calculation we can get its area as 70 centimeter into 20 centimeter, that is equal to 1400 centimeter square. Now let us describe this situation here. The area is 1400 centimeter square, and you can observe that the length is 50 centimeter more than the breadth, or we can say the difference between length and breadth is 50 centimeter. So according to this data, let us frame the word problem. Find the length and breadth of a rectangular field, or rectangle, we can say rectangle, such that its area is 1400 centimeter square. Also, length, the difference between, let us write the between properly, length and breadth is 50 centimeter. If you try to frame the quadratic equation for this word problem, you will solve accordingly. According to the situation, we are considering the area as 14 centimeter square, and the difference between length and breadth is 50 centimeter. So you will think of a rectangle whose breadth is, suppose, x, and length is the difference between length and breadth. If it is breadth and it is length, the length will be 50 centimeter more than the breadth, that is x plus 50. So area will be x into x plus 50. Its value is given as 1400 centimeter square. So it is x square plus 50x, and the quadratic equation will be formed as x square plus 50x minus 1400 is equal to 0. If you solve it by any method, you will get the same answers, that is x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 70 centimeter.